Get this eyebrow thing right. Like, I want to know how to do makeup so bad. Like, I don't know how bad. I don't really want to learn how to do my makeup.
Good for you. Friends who do stuff together. You is for you and me. And is for anywhere and anytime at all. Down here in the deep blue sea.
What's going on, Storm Chasers? Y'all like that name I came up for y'all with? You know, I was going to ask y'all about it in the last video, but YouTube is playing with me, and I don't understand why. It kind of like, it's cutting my last video short, so I'm gonna get that fixed. However, what's going on, Storm Chasers? It's your girl Storm, aka Deasia, and thank you for coming back to my channel. If you're a loyal subscriber, if you are new, what's up, what's going on? Thanks for finding me. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video and check out some more. You know, let's do that. Anyway, so as you can see by the title of this video, I am attempting to do another makeup video. Yes, I know. We've been here before. That's actually like on my channel one of my most, y'all know I get fidgety when I record. That's one of my most recently viewed videos, and so I decided I wanted to do another one. Probably try to make this a little challenge. Let y'all see my progression on makeup or whatever. So I am going to be following a tutorial on YouTube. And ignore the background noise, that's my roommate, Cameron. Yeah, I've got a new roommate. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and just jump into it. I got some Gold Bond to go ahead and moisturize my skin with. And y'all already know my biggest downfall with makeup is what? These damned eyebrows are on. So yeah. So let's just go ahead and get into it. I'm not really scared. I got a lot more faith in myself. You know, I'm gonna try to make this a series. See how it goes. Cause I do want to learn how to.
You have a cool idea. I don't know what to do.
I do want to learn how to do my makeup. This video will be linked below, the one that I'm watching right now. So yeah. And this is like a beginner tutorial because y'all know I can't take myself too fast. I'm just gonna post right now, post a couple clips of the last video, the last makeup video I tried to do. So yeah. Okay, so this is what I have. Okay, they look a little light. Yeah. Okay.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Like these? Okay. On my channel, we is not bougie professional. We is ourselves. So, y'all seen them clips, and y'all see that your girl don't know what the hell she's doing. So, we're just gonna go ahead and get right into this video. Now, one thing I don't like about makeup videos, though, they don't talk about how, like, I need somebody to go in detail about how to do your eyebrows. Because that's why I fall short at. Let me get an eyebrow pencil out. And you wanna know what's funny? I don't wear makeup, but I have like a whole little box. I mean, so this is the brush. She's using a pomade, I'm using a pencil. Oh, pause. This, I got this off like a random ass one frame plane. It's just a regular drawing pencil in the color brown. Basically, what she says she doing is shading it in. It don't even like, to me, it don't even look like I'm doing nothing. I had to look at my mustache real quick. Okay. Like, hello? Okay. I'm back with a brand new. It is Wet n Wild Cold Crayon Pencil. Cold Crayon. Yeah, Cold Crayon. That's what I say. I wish I was reading English. Excuse me. Black. Baby's Got Black. Okay, back to this. So she kind of like starts right here. I noticed. Alright, we can put it here. Okay. See, only thing about eyebrows for me is the brown be too damn light and the black be too dark, and that's why my eyebrows be looking. Hold up. No, I'm not gonna get excited, cause last time I got excited about my eyebrow, it was the fucking mess. So hold up though, this don't look heavy. My eyebrows just be looking dark, bro. I don't know what to do about that. Like, I know this is not what this video is on, but I'm about to attempt to make my own pomade, so I can be like her and just use. So give me a second. Hold for 10. I don't know how to. Okay, so she's saying fill in the empty gaps and just brush it. See, I ain't never had nobody explain it to me like that before. I see that harsh. I don't know. I got food on my mouth. I had McDonald's. I'm back on campus, so there ain't no more eating bougie for me. I had McDonald's for dinner. Okay. It's not bad. It's not my worst eyebrow. Alright, let me do both of them. So what she did was she brushed it up. Hey y'all. This is hideous. Oh my god. Okay, moving on to the next step. Oh my god, this is bad. She's concealing. For concealer, I'm going to use. Y'all remember the famous clip from the video when my foundation was too light? I use that as concealer now, okay? So this is the LA Girl Pro High Coverage High Definition Longwear Illuminating Foundation. However, it is so light, like I'm gonna show you on the camera. It's so light that there's no way I can use that. It's winter now, you know, it's January, still not light enough. So yeah, we're gonna be using this as concealer. And I mix it with my regular concealer, which is also a little too light. That, and I mix this. This is Candid Photo Ready Anti-Toxic Concealer, and it's in the shade 50. Y'all, one day I'm gonna get good, and we're just gonna be doing get readies with me, and so I'm gonna just bring y'all on my little makeup journey for real. Journey to booty book. And now I gotta take a water break. Journey to a beauty guru. Alright, okay, get the business.
This product is really good because it has a brush tip applicator, so it's easy to
Okay, hold on. Y'all know I struggle with concealer. Yes. Yes, concealer. Well, I'm apologizing. Okay. Cleaned up, it don't look too bad. Y'all, let me tell you something. If I know how to do my eyebrows good, I would be wearing these shits outside every day. I'm not playing. I would be bummed out. Sleek eyebrows. What are you talking about? Yeah. Hold on, but up close they look horrible. Oh my god, I really suck at this. See from far away? Can't tell you girl nigga yourself from there. Don't look at this. That's so far over there. Okay, here we go. Okay. She going in with concealer. I mean, foundation. Okay, we are using CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made in the color D70 Cappuccino, because I'm a cappuccino. That's what I thought it was. So, this is dark. Hold on, it might work. Hold on now. Oh, so you mean to tell me I'm real chocolate? Yes! I love it. I'm cool, yes, so one day I'm gonna get me a beauty blender. But until then, we're gonna use these same brushes I've been using since the last video. Okay. She wear hers, so let me be like sis. Alright, so I couldn't find it. And I just got back on campus. I don't really feel like looking for all my stuff. So, it's gonna be ghetto. Okay. You just dampen it with a little water. If you do your own makeup, can you tell me below in the comments what this is? Dampening the brush. Okay, so we talking about this foundation real quick. I really like it. I feel like color is really good. Like it's a really good like match. Look at me talking about makeup. This looks good. The foundation. Back in with the concealer, girl. That I used to do all the time. I would do that and I wouldn't even, I don't like, for a while, I would wear concealer and foundation, nothing else. And that was my little makeup routine on Sundays before church. Oh, she doing the middle too. Forehead. All like that too, okay. Okay, there she do. Y'all better remember where I came from when I get good at makeup, for real. I started from the bottom. One of my eyes is bigger than the other. Y'all see that? This eye is bigger than the other. I don't lazy eye. But I still pull niggas out. Comment below if I'm tripping, but from far away, from this far back, this one looks good, don't it? Now, you know what I'm talking about? The evil cousin over here. I don't have setting spray, so we can skip that. But one day I will be there, you feel me? I just don't buy makeup because I'm not good. So I feel like if I play around with a little bit I got, get good, then I can get to the point where I buy makeup. We can do get ready with me, all of that. But until then, no. She's basically doing eyeshadow and stuff. Like I said, I don't have none of that because I'm not a makeup girl for real. So I just dropped the whole line. I'm trying to get my phone situated. Okay, there we go. I can work with this. I just need 2 seconds. Like I was saying before, I made a damn mess. My phone started to it literally, after I dropped the water bottle, it went hectic, okay? But sis is doing stuff that I don't know how to do and I don't have the supplies to do. So we're just gonna finish up with mascara and lip gloss so I can get off the screen looking at a hot damn mess. Okay? This one eyebrow. I know I keep saying it, but it look good. So I'm using Mega Protein Mascara by Wet n Wild. It just looks like this. And yeah, it's very black. Okay, so then I'm going to be branding today. Put my lip gloss on, you know. I already put some chapstick on, put my lip gloss on. This is just a clear lip gloss. Make a 6. Guess who's by again? Wet n Wild. Yeah. I live for clear lip gloss. I said one day I'm going to grow up and wear a little bit of color. Not yet. And this girl want to keep coming in and out. Okay, dude. So this is the look. I'm gonna put my cards on so we can go in the bathroom. Now we gotta do the light test. Now we gotta see what it looks like. It's like I don't think the light matters. I think I look horrible. Oh, no, it still looks like a mess. Oreo song. This is what it look like in the bathroom. Thanks for watching another video of me filming to do my makeup. I can't believe I do this to myself on camera, for real. Alright, so y'all heard it. Once again, it's the daggone eyebrows. But thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'm about to go take this crap on my face. Follow me on social media. Don't forget to check out my boutique. It's going up in 2020. Go ahead and hit us up before we blow up. And tell the people you've been on. Okay. But I love y'all as always. Thank you for supporting. And we on the way to 150. We already at 122. Let's get 150 subscribers. Let's do it. 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 Bye.